if we talk now about instrumental geometry. You know that Triptylice is the DNA of Micromega, and it's been described as the toughest section on the market, which is why it was used. For the past 25 years at Micromega, there has been 25 years of evolution. Originally, it started as a triple helix section with a relatively short step represented by the hero 642 because there were three possible tapers, 6%, 4%, and 2%, each tapered down to 3/10, 2.5 tenths, or 2/10 of a millimeter in tip diameter, creating sequences of 3, 4, or 6 instruments. This instrument was introduced to the market in 1996, and it was the first hand-active instrument. And Micromega never stopped improving this section. The two major improvements were, one, the lengthening of the step, which happened with the hero shaper, and especially an adaptation of the step to the taper of the instrument, and the action the instrument must perform inside the canal. With the hero shaper, Micromega managed to reduce the sequence to 2, 3, or 4 instruments, depending on the canal difficulty encountered. The gold of Caccini. The next evolution was that of the Revo S, with the advent of the instrument's symmetrical section, which allowed for an instrument whose main cutting edge was the only one cutting, and the other two edges, which you see here, are white and pink, recessed due to the instrument's dive surface. And these two edges are trimming edges, explaining the great cleaning capacity of this type of instrument. The Revo S Plus has maintained the improvements of this asymmetrical section and utilized them. New heat treatment techniques to improve fracture resistance and mechanical behavior of the instrument inside the barrels.